What did I just witness kanina? Guys, the episode 9 of just me and Jupiter singing to where the someone does sing and one will just watch. You just watch the episode right now. Ano? Okay ka lang? Hindi ka okay kay what happened? Because my papa's hunger issues about AI crying girl also get weird 100%. And then I could sleep in the night at somewhere else like Magsaysay Street. Bisan diin! Hey, don't say that. Magsaysay Street is already bad for you to sleep at night. Why are you risking it for you? Man's a long story. Okay, how many cards do you have? Because you just mispronounced. Oh! I don't akong pang mispronounce ko niya. We Putang. Right, anyways, what do you just witness for? I just discovered kanina. Okay? Listen. I just singing London's greatest song of all time. It is the Duang Filipino singer who lives to be one of the highest note survivor. So, is someone singing laundry during the typhoon? I will say that again one more time. Duang Filipino singer who lives to be the highest note of all time. He's one of the greatest levels in all history. In laundry is at the highest level. Say that again. Why did you summon singing laundry during the Typhoon Luis? There's a typhoon? Yes. It's because I did summon them. Oh, Kyle, what's happening to you? Joshua, go to my room now before I snap this man in bitches. Okay? Well, you won. Say so. I am the singing hunter, okay? Now, are you going to take a revenge? No! You don't. It's because I won. No. What do you want me to do, huh? Did you summon back house? Sort of. Why? Think again. I will summon them all this Sunday.